what advice would you give to your younger self at the start of your career of motivational speaking?
Ooh. Okay, and this would be to anybody starting something. One, nobody's perfect. It's impossible. Trying to be perfect is one thing I can guarantee. I don't say you can fail, but you can fail at being perfect. But understand the fact that humans aren't perfect is what gives us the opportunity every day. If we ever reached perfection, there'd be no point. You know what I mean? Two, you're not meant for everybody. Every time I come up here, my goal is not to reach everybody. My goal is to reach the one person I'm supposed to reach. And that's something for everybody can take. Understand whatever you're doing, you may be at a school where maybe nobody rocks with it. Maybe you're just not in the place where you're going to be maximized and people will actually appreciate you. So understand you're not meant to be liked by everybody, but the fact of you not being liked of everybody allows you to be so you that you're going to be perfect for somebody else. And so I have to be me in every room I walk in, because maybe I'm not here for this table, but this table needed me. But if I tried to please everybody, I would have never been here for that table. And so it's so important to understand you're not meant for everybody, but you're meant for someone. But the person you're meant for will never meet you if you don't start being you.
What I also wanted to add to this video as I watched it back from the clip is that when you're trying to be there for everybody, it's hard to keep going. Like when you're trying to please this group and that group, and like you're not feeling whole in yourself because you're being somebody that you're not. And a lot of people may say the secret to success is staying consistent. It's hard to be consistent with what you're doing when that's not who you are. But when you're doing you, when you're being you, being consistent is just you waking up in the morning and doing you. It's as simple as you breathing. It's as simple as me making these videos and putting them out and making this clip. This is me. This is not me right here trying to please somebody. This is me doing me. Do you, and you will please the people you're meant to please. But if you're thinking about pleasing people, how can I help? That's when you start getting into a state where you're not being your best self, where you're not being yourself. Just be you. Understand what works for you, what makes you happy. Through that is where you're going to be able to help as many people as possible. We usually try to do all these things for other people and we forget about ourselves. But when we focus on ourselves, that's often when we help the most amount of people, because now we're pouring from a full cup. Okay, like, comment, subscribe. Really appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'll drop every single day. In the morning, think about switching earlier in the morning. Right now it's 9:30 a.m. ET. Might switch it to like 8:30, 7:30 ET. We'll see. See you on the next one. Peace.